A journey inward is a series of courses that explore the self-abandonment wound and how to support yourself to heal the wound of unworthiness and embrace life, mind, body, and spirit. Each course deepens into your healing journey through self-awareness and embodiment, exploring grief inherent in transitions, cultivating self-compassion, embracing healthy anger, and letting in joy and abundance to your life. Together we will explore, through the work of psychotherapy, depth psychology, and Irish mythology, how you can become aware of these patterns in your life and how you can begin to meet it. Join me, Eileen Huluan, and the wisdom of mythology in the stories of Cesar, Bridget, Gráinne Mhaol, the god Lu, and the Cailleach, to deepen your own personal development and begin the journey inward to your soul self.